So hi guys, today I'll be sharing a small information with you. So I recently just installed this additional 8 GB RAM stick in my PC. So I successfully installed this and I just wanted to see like if it's working properly or not. So I just went into my task manager, and while looking into the memory, I just got confused. Like it was showing around 13.9 GB instead of like 16 GB, which it needed to show. But if you see on the right side over here, it's showing it has 16 GB successfully installed. But over here you can see like it's just using like the 13.9 GB. So I was wondering where the additional 2 GB RAM space went to. So since we have the Ryzen 5 5500 GT, which has like an internal graphics card processor. To clarify, we don't have an additional graphics card in our PC right now, so we're using this internal graphics card, and which utilizes the 2 GB RAM space. So that's where the 2 GB RAM space is going to. So I just got confused and I just didn't know like what to do. Like I was wondering if I did install the RAM stick correctly or not, and while surfing through Google I just got to know like if you're using like an internal graphics card, that's where the memory space is going to. So yeah, that's it guys. It's a very simple and you don't need to worry if you're facing this issue. Like you just don't need to worry. It's your RAM is successfully installed, and if you're using this processor, the G version, which has like an internal graphics, and if you're using it, and it utilizes the memory space from your RAM. So yeah, that's it. So shall I find this video informative, do give it a like and subscribe to our channel for such future informative videos we'll be sharing with you guys.